5 healthy oil for cooking every diabetes should know. So you're welcome back to another videos. In this video, we're going to discuss about 5 healthy oils that you can use for cooking that everyone's living with diabetics should know. Many people believe that using any vegetable oil is healthy, but that's far from the truth. Some cooking oils silently raise your blood sugars, damage your heart, and worsens inflammation, and especially for people with diabetes. So today, let's uncover 5 healthy oil for cooking and how to use each one to support your blood sugar and overall health. Let me tell you a short story about Halima, a 52 years old diabetics woman who loved frying her food with regular vegetable oils. Even though she was eating healthy meal, her blood sugar kept going up and her doctor couldn't understand why. So one day she met a nutritionist who explained it is not just what you eat, but the oil you use in cooking them. That single advice changed everything. Within 4 weeks of switching her cooking oil, her blood sugar readings improved and she felt lighter and more energetic. Now let's talk about the top 5 healthy oil for cooking, especially for diabetes. Number 1 on my list is olive oil. Olive oil is packed with monosaturated fat that improve insulin sensitivities, rich in antioxidants like oleocanthal that reduce inflammation, best used for sautéing, salad dressing, or light frying. Number 2 is avocado oil, safe even for frying, so full of oleic acid that support heart health and lower low diet lipoprotein cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol, best for grilling or stir frying. Number 3, have coconut oil. Coconut oil contain a medium chain triglyceride MCTs that are quickly converted to energy, not stored as fat. It helps stabilize blood sugar when used moderately. Use in small amount for cooking or baking. Number 4, have flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid, which reduce inflammation, however, not heat stable. Avoid frying with it. Use for salad dressing or add to smoothie. That will be very okay. And the 5 but not the least is sesame oil. Sesame oil contains sesamin and sesamol, a compound that help lower cholesterol and oxidative stress, perfect for soup, sauce, or low heat cooking. Now, here's something many people don't realize. When oil smoke, it loses its nutrient and turn harmful. So always choose oil with right smoke point for types of cooking you are doing, and remember, even healthy oil should be used in moderation. 1 teaspoon goes a long way. So if you are diabetes or simply want to stay healthy, start switching out your oil today. Replace regular vegetable oil with one of these healthy options. Your heart, liver, and blood sugar will thank you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. And tell me in the comment sections which oil do you use most often in your kitchen. So that's what I have to discuss with you in this video. I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.